This video is brought to you by MetaQuest Plus. MetaQuest Plus is the premium subscription service for VR. It's basically the Xbox Game Pass or PlayStation Plus but for VR. As of January 2025, there are over 20 games for you to try, with new games added every month. Not only that, but you get exclusive deals for members as well that save you money, and you get to play together with friends also. If you purchase the MetaQuest 3S, you automatically get a 3-month free trial to MetaQuest Plus, and if you already own a MetaQuest headset, you get 1 month for free. After that, it's just $7.99 US or $10.99 Canadian a month. The game I want to showcase for you today is a game called Onward, which is a military shooter that is part of the MetaQuest Plus subscription. So what I have loaded up here is the map called the Bazaar, and this game mode is basically extraction where you have to make your way to the chopper and survive, and you'll get attacked by a bunch of enemies. You access your map by reaching over to your back and grabbing the tablet and then putting it back. You can see here that the weapon handling is super realistic, reloading feels just like the real thing, the scopes work well, and it's basically a 2-shot kill or 3-shot kill, so you gotta be careful. You can see me then pick up the other gun because dual wielding is a thing, and the weapon models look super realistic as well. As you're getting shot, your field of vision narrows into a circle, and then you can actually fire both weapons at once as well because it's just awesome, and then when you run out of ammo you can throw one of it away because it's just really hard to aim. And here you see I run out of ammo on the rifle and I have to switch to my sidearm because it's always faster, and you can pick up the dead guy's weapons as well. There is also a syringe that you can use to heal yourself, and finally getting onto the chopper to win the round. Let me show you a different map called Containers and the weapon mechanics of 2 more weapons. First is the P90, which I'm sure some of you are familiar with. Turning on the laser requires you to actually tap the laser, and switching over to the M249 saw, activating the bipod, is the same thing. This thing comes with a red dot, and because the magazine is so large, I can just keep firing away. Switching back to the P90, faster rate of fire, much less cumbersome. The last map I want to show you here is the quaint suburban neighborhood from America, and it's here that I get flashbanged, and at first I don't know where until I headshot the guy and I'm desperately trying to run away. And I think at this point I keep getting shot and I just have to reload and I drop the mag by mistake. There's this cool watch as well that tells you the timing and direction so I know where to go to get to the chopper, and I'm almost there, but in this case I died. Overall, a very fun game and I highly recommend you try it. Check out MetaQuest Plus in the description below and have a good one. I'll continue playing some clips for you to watch from the game called Onward.